So hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to enable fingerprint on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. First of all, go to the WhatsApp application. Then you will see a three dot on the top right side corner here, like here. Click on the top right side corner, three dots, and go to the settings option. Then on the settings option, you will see an option called privacy. Just tap on that. After that, you need to scroll it down a little bit and you will see an option called fingerprint lock. You just need to tap on that. Alright, then you will see an option called unlock with fingerprint. You just need to toggle the slider and then you have to confirm your fingerprint by tapping the finger onto the fingerprint sensor. You will see three options when you want to lock your WhatsApp, like immediately after 1 minute or after 30 seconds. If I select the immediate option and minimize the WhatsApp app like this, and again if we want to go to the WhatsApp, then it will ask for the fingerprint. If I tap on the fingerprint and it will unlock. And you can also select the two options right here after 1 minute or 30 seconds, but I will go with the immediate option. Like if I want just bring it back from the WhatsApp, it will immediately lock my WhatsApp, which I wanted. If you don't want to show the notifications of WhatsApp in the notification bar on this side, then you need to turn off this option. And here you go. Now your WhatsApp is truly secured and no one ever can watch your WhatsApp chats now on. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit a like and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Till then, goodbye.